Yes, I want everyone else to be silent.
Good afternoon, respected ma'am, all my classmates. I am Rohan, standing here in front of you to share an event which happened recently. You know, whenever you went to any place and find there any person belonging to your area or from the same city, then there was a curiosity developed to forward a hand of friendship towards her. And by luck, he or she accept. Similar case happened. I joined an institution where no one is known. And suddenly I got a person from the same city. We talk normally, and after class start, I feel like all right, there is one person who is known to me. I feel strengthful and always eagerly to help her. Or I can say that I just searched for an opportunity to help her. And as class passed, we got more friends who talk together, walk in the break period, eventually waiting for the break time. We all make fun, enjoy together, encourage each other to take more and more participate in the class. And that unlucky day when a new friend join our groups. But unfortunately, whenever he join, we feel like exploited, ignorance, and for the newly friend, we few in them feel lonely again. And after that day, there is a rumor which is spread throughout the class. I just hear that rumor and get to know her and start to find who and why this rumor is spread. And I just asked her directly about that rumor. But unluckily, I got rough word and hate from her. And after that, they behave like we even not know each other. But if you about to lose one, you get another and better. Same happen instead of her. I get other friend who is polite, who are literally a blessing for me. That's all. Thanks.
ये स्पीच आपने मुझसे चेक कराई थी, ये स्पीच चेक करवाई थी. There were grammatical mistakes, ठीक है, बट लास्ट टाइम से ज्यादा आपका बेटर है बिकॉज अभी आवाज आपकी क्लियर थी, आप एकदम फ्लुएंट बोले हैं, ठीक है, बीच में रुके नहीं हैं. लास्ट टाइम से बेटर है आपका डिलीवरी, बट यहाँ पर ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स है. ओके, ये मैं चेक कर देती हूँ. एंड नेक्स्ट, हाँ हाँ जाइए. अच्छा, am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to the back students? Students at the back benches, are you able to hear my voice?
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing, whenever you're writing a speech, आप ज्यादातर यूजुअली केसेस में पास्ट में लिखेंगे, ठीक है. अगर आप कोई स्पीच में ऐसा इवेंट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जो यहाँ पर डिलीवर करते टाइम हो रहा है, तब आप प्रेजेंट में लिखेंगे, अदरवाइज आप उसको पास्ट में ही लिखेंगे. ओके.
Hi friends, this is Amar Viswas before you. In today's class, I have a topic for you. Death Day. Keep silence, just listen. It was 21st July. Suddenly I woke up and saw I was surrounded by a crowd. My mother and sister, who were among them, crying bitterly. I was unable to understand the situation that time. After a few minutes, I tried to ask what has happened, but I felt my body wasn't working. I also tried to get up, but it was waste. Then I understood I am probably dead. I was shocked and I was sad also. My team had to play the final match of a local tournament that day. After half an hour, my father and brothers took me to an ambulance which was just standing at my door. My mother was crying loudly and saying, "Don't let him go. He is all right.
Yes.
Nothing has happened to me. Nothing has happened to him." Some women were holding my mother. When I saw this scene, I couldn't stop myself. I cried, but there was no tears in my eyes. Ambulance started, and the policeman was also coming just behind me. They took me to the city hospital. Doctors did my postmortem. After that, they tied me in a plastic bag and sent me back to my home by that ambulance. When I reached, A policeman brought me out of that van. In order to giving reports, a policeman said to my father, "Your son died of lung cancer. He was addicted to smoking." I was shocked again. My father bowed his head. Tears came out. A guilt took place on my father's face instead of sadness. It was so embarrassing for me. I became the cause of my father's bowed head. After all this tragedy, they took me to my cremation. When I burned, I was floating in air and going above and above the clouds. All the way, I was just thinking about my family. Alarm rang. I woke up. Everything was normal. I understood it was a nightmare. The dream opened my eyes. I went to my mom.
इससे पहले आपने स्पीच दी थी?
Bro.
Do you think there's an improvement in yourself? In what term? Yes, keep quiet. In what term? I was? अच्छा, hesitation आपकी चली गई अब, okay?
I want to gain a little bit more confidence.
Okay. Other students? चेक करवाया है? ये अच्छा, ये वाला? This one yours? Why? So why did you deliver? अच्छा. Anyone else who would like to deliver in the meantime? Yes, students at the back. My India खत्म हो गया. Now it's your turn to deliver again. Okay. तो वो जो sitting and watching videos वो नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है. My India खत्म हो गया. Now you have to deliver another speech. Last bench students. Anyone from there who wants to deliver the speech? Are you not prepared or you don't have a speech to deliver? अच्छा, how many students have a speech to deliver? जिनके पास लिखा हुआ है speech वो हाथ रेस कर लें. जिन student के पास speech लिखा हुआ है वो hand raise कर लें.
Ma'am.
Yes, online student. Vishakant, do you want to deliver the speech? Nancy Kumari, आप डिलीवर करना चाहते हैं?
नो मैम, चेक करवाना है.
अच्छा, तो you can send me in on the WhatsApp. ठीक है, I'll check it and in the next class you can deliver. Okay. Yes.
Okay मैम, थैंक यू.
Last students, आपके पास स्पीच भी नहीं है डिलीवर करने के लिए? Are you able to hear my voice or not? No, I don't think so. They are actually listening to me or not. Yes, I am audible. Yes, we can start. Camera on कर लीजिए, mic on कर लीजिए. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Singh. Once me and my sister were outside of my house and we saw that a baby bird fell on the ground and the bird was in very bad condition. Me and my sister picked up the baby bird and took it home. We kept it bird at our home for 2 or 3 days and feed it. After that, the baby bird flew away on its own. Me and my sister were very happy to do all this. Thank you.
क्लैपिंग तो कर देते हो, क्या बोला उसने? तो क्यों क्लैप किया?
मैम ये मोटिव करने का है,
हाँ?
मोटिव करने का है कि और बोले कहीं बोले
अच्छा, और बोलने के लिए क्लैप कर दिया, और नहीं है उसके पास बोलने के लिए। तुम लोग शांति से बैठ जाया करो एटलीस्ट जब कोई डिलीवर करता है। इट इज वेरी डिमोटिवेटिंग फॉर द स्पीकर। ठीक है, जो बोलने आता है उसको बहुत खराब लगता है दैट यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू हिम और हर। जाइए, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? हाँ हाँ, ए
अरे जाने इंस्टा का नाम, इंस्टाग्राम पर आईडी है।
क्या नाम है? कृष्ण कुमार। आइए कृष्ण कुमार जी, अब अपना स्पीच डिलीवर करेंगे। इतना इंट्रो ठीक है कि और भी इंट्रो दूं कुछ? उसके बाद स्टार्ट होगा आपका स्पीच। अब नेक्स्ट टाइम कोई ऐसा बोला ना कि मैंने बुलाया नहीं है, उसका मैं 10 अटेंडेंस एक्स्ट्रा काट लूंगी।
And today I'm so happy to stand.
बच्चे माइक ऑन नहीं है आपका।
And my speech is education. What is education? Why you achieve your education, and what is mean by education? So my speech is education. So I would like to say few lines on education. Education is necessary in the life of every person. You also might think that, first of all, education is not powerful weapon which will make undefeatable you. Education is making money, leading the way, buying the car, everything. It is not purpose of education, but these are not purpose of education in the service of frequently unstable objective. The main purpose of education in this modern time is to sharpen people thought process so that they can function in society. They generate critical thought, also the kind purpose project based on the common welfare. They become skilled enough to create a balanced society. Learning is innate to the human being. Therefore, education is an essential process that is unstoppable and complex. Education trains people to have carefree belief and opinions. They become able to good from the bad. In their times, they get to share their knowledge with education. Thanks. That's all much.
Thank you.
Yes, next. Yes, 1 minute. That you shouldn't be afraid from.
समझा हुआ है आई थिंक इसके लिए तो बहुत कितना माइंड क्या होता
I got emotional by getting such blessed friends. Blessed friends. I always try to forget that unlucky day. Forget. I didn't heard here. How come it is audible there? यहाँ आइए बच्चों, 1 मिनट। यस, ये लाइन मुझे बताइए क्या लिखना चाह रहा था। आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फॉरगेट दैट अनलकी डे व्हेन
So, starter.
व्हाट स्टार्टर व्हेन माय डे स्टार्टेड। फ्रेशर्स फ्रेंड, व्हाट फ्रेशर्स फ्रेंड? फ्रेशर्स मतलब आपके फर्स्ट ईयर के फ्रेंड। फ्रेशर्स फ्रेंड्स टू मी came to me and asked what happened. But through that incident, I got many friends who forgive or forget. Forget ना, आप भूलना चाहते हैं उसको। Yes, forget. Forget this like a bad dream. That always try to thought throughout this from my imagination. Try to. What is throughout? क्या लिखना चाह रहे थे यहाँ पर? Try to thought, उसको as a imagination आप सोच रहे हैं ना। Try to thought that as my imagination. Yes. ये आप डिलीवर करिए, उसके बाद फिर I'll check his. क्यों इतनी बातें स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं?
Good afternoon, respected ma'am and all my classmates. I am Ans, standing here. I am Ans, standing in front of you to share an event which happened recently. A week later, I joined a coaching. There I talked with so many people, but before that, I felt so alone. No one to talk except those who sit beside me. But slowly, I made some friends. Let's talk together and went for drinking water together in the break. Early waiting for the break, we share our coffees, toffees, chocolates, gift. After that, we have a group of 6 friends who sit together and had a lot of fun. But that unlucky day, when a new friend joined our group, we get exploited ignorance. And one day at the gate of coaching in the morning, I just stand with my friends and my friend come along with another boy and she was pointing her fingers towards me and said something. I get shocked from what happening there. I get scared, but after that I enter the classroom. There my friends give me a strength, talk to me, give some ideas about that situation. And I feel good, not alone, strong when they are with me, that you should not be afraid from that. We all are with you, even if the situation goes bad. Literally, I got emotional by getting such a blessing friends. I get emotional by getting such a blessed friends, and I always try to forget that unlucky day. When midday started, fresher friend did not even come to me and ask what happened. But through that incident, I got new friends who are literally a blessing for me, and I always try to forget that like a bad dream, and always try to through that as my imagination. Thank you.
exactly has been said in the speech? नहीं, आप लोग तो फर्स्ट यू आर लिसनिंग. क्या बोला? क्या बोला? What exactly did he said in the speech? वो पढ़ के नहीं बताना है बच्चे, और जो पढ़ रहे वो भी गलत पढ़ रहे हो, वो उसका स्पीच पढ़ रहे हो. मतलब you seriously think that I'm just sitting here and watching your faces, right? इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है यूज करने की. तो उसको नया ही रखना है कि यूज भी करना है, कि भगवान ने जैसे दिया था वैसे ही ऊपर लेके जाएंगे? भैया, भगवान ने एकदम ब्रांड न्यू चीज लगाई है, यूज नहीं करना है. इतनी कंजूसी मत करो. बच्चे वो यूज करके भी दोगे तो जान बच जाएगा. ऐसा यूज करके भी दोगे तो जान बच जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हारा यूज ब्रेन वो नहीं लेगा. थोड़ा दिमाग इस्तेमाल करना सीखिए, ठीक है? जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग योर ओन स्पीच, जिसने लिखी है उसका भी सुनिए क्या लिखा गया है उसमें. किसी और का सुनेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा क्या क्या आइडियाज हैं. जो ये लेफ्ट साइड वाला क्रिएशन वाला ब्रेन जो पूरा जैम्ड है ना, वो एटलीस्ट किसी और का कॉन्सेप्ट सुनकर आपको थोड़ा खुलेगा दिमाग. सिट डाउन. यस बच्चे, आप बहुत अटक अटक के बोलते हैं. हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम बोला आपने, ठीक है. माइंड यहाँ पे नहीं दिया था. अच्छा, अगले बार से नहीं होगा. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. वो मुझे पता है क्यों आप अटक अटक रहे थे. यू वर नर्वस अबाउट दैट. तो वो तो आप पूरा आपके बॉडी लैंग्वेज से मुझे पता चल गया जैसे आप वहां पे खड़े हुए कि यू आर नर्वस. बट वो नर्वसनेस में क्या रिएक्शन हुआ, यू गेट टू नो, राइट? अभी उस पे क्या वर्क करना है आपको ये भी पता है, ठीक है? तो आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. बैठिए. इधर दे आर टू शॉर्ट स्पीच, तो उसमें कोई फीडबैक देने नहीं, तुम्हारा तो मैंने स्पीच देख लिया ना, ठीक है? इफ आई एम नॉट गिविंग फीडबैक दैट मीन्स देयर इज एन इम्प्रूवमेंट फ्रॉम द लास्ट स्पीच, ठीक है? देयर इज एन इम्प्रूवमेंट, मतलब कुछ इम्प्रूव किया है लास्ट स्पीच से, तभी नहीं. यस, शिवम चौधरी, डू यू वांट टू डिलीवर अ स्पीच? आइए.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shivam Chaudhary and I'm a BCS student. My topic is Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle is also called Devils of Triangle and has triangle-like structure bounded by 3 points: Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. There are many planes and ships are said to be mysteriously vanish into the air or in deep water. There is one flight went missing recently halfway around the world. Malaysia Airline flight MH370. There are many great writers think that there is a connection with Atlantis, also known as mythical city, may lie at the bottom of the city. The crystal energy is responsible to sink the ship or planes, but I think it can be underwater aliens where they are capable to destroy anything from their energy. Maybe one day they will come out from the water and destroy the things. Maybe they have unlimited kind of energy which can easily erase all human beings from the earth. Many people believe that it is the center of the earth where the magnetic energy is very high, so that it can attract anything that come in their way. At last, I want to tell you, all of you, that sea isn't a place, but a face and a mystery.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मोबाइल फोन्स में यहाँ कन्फिस्टिकेट कर लूंगी, ठीक है? क्योंकि माइक तो रहता ही है हमेशा, आज नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजंस. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर मैंने किसी का मोबाइल फोन सुना तो फिर सारे मोबाइल फोन यहाँ रहेंगे, ठीक है, क्लास के बाद ही आपको मिलेंगे। So if you want your mobile phone in your hands, then mute itself or switch off. अगर काम नहीं है तो। Yes, anyone else? आप जाएंगे? There's no time. Give it in the next class. Okay. Okay, I have taken the attendance, so you don't have to worry about that.